Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check City Intimation NTPC Undergraduate step by step. Open the NTPC portal, sign in with your undergraduate credentials, and choose the Admission Notifications tab to proceed. Next, filter notifications by program and look specifically for city or reporting instructions. If you do not see a notification, refresh, check spam, and confirm your registered mobile number and email address are correct before contacting support. Start by clicking the Notifications or Messages icon on the NTPC dashboard and apply filters for admission or city intimation. Scan each notice for the city name, reporting date, time, and required documents to avoid surprises. Download the official intimation PDF and save it to your device, then screenshot key details and add them to your calendar with a reminder. Keep a backup copy for travel and verification. If you are finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control is a small upgrade that saves time when you are busy sorting admission tasks. It helps free up time for travel and document prep, and it even listens to voice commands when your hands are full. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully verify every detail listed in the city intimation against your application and ID documents to prevent mismatches. Confirm the reporting venue, reporting time, and required items such as ID, admission letter, and academic certificates. If any detail seems incorrect, gather evidence like application screenshots and contact NTPC support immediately. Finally, arrange travel and accommodation early, and pack both originals and clear copies in a labeled folder for easy access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.